Do you value efficient and safe decisions? Are you focusing on increased profitability and reduced maintenance work? WECA is your partner for field service, installation and service of temperature instrumentation. Our Research and Development Center enables the simulation of real environmental conditions in a refinery. Safety is a high priority. Every WECA employee goes through safety training according to operator specifications. Our service is characterized by over 30 years of application experience and the use of market-leading technologies. To get you back into operations faster, efficiency, safety, and short downtimes are always the focus at WECA. Our international service team is experienced and provided continuous training according to the guidelines. With our local locations and our own experts, we can react quickly. WECA is your partner for field service, installation and service of temperature instrumentation.